the festival's at the end of the month. We've still got a lot of practicing to do.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Everybody's heard about the bird.
Yeah, this here is my jam. Oh yeah, that's right. I peck by ear. Never had a lesson. Oh!
Whoa, that bird's got mad skills.
Don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a bird. Bird, 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 bird,
Another bill? Where did this come from? What? Hold this bird! To the river!
On? Okay, I can do that. Yeah. Just like in the cartoons. I'm back.
Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird's a word. Well, a bird, the bird's a bird. Well, a bird.
Oh, yeah, that was awesome.
Woody, that was sick.
Oh yeah, the bird is the word. You know this song is about me, right? It's quiet. Too quiet. I can fix that. Anyone else smell gas? And it's not me this time.
Nothing works around here.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
Oh, jeez.
Kids, don't try this at home. I'm a professional cartoon character. Ooh, definitely swipe left.
Oh, boy.
Baby, please, can we talk about this a minute? You know what? You were right. I should have listened to you in the first place. We'll go to a hotel.
I'm going to a hotel. The Fairmont Olympic in Seattle. 5 stars, all the amenities. Suite for one.
I will get rid of that woodpecker. I promise you.
It's too late, Lance. You're not the man I thought you were. I fell in love with a cold, heartless courtroom killer, not a man who loses to a flying squirrel. If you ever move back to Seattle, we can do lunch. Bye.
I think I just did that guy a huge favor. You're welcome.
Sorry.
What?
About Vanessa. I know you liked her.
Thanks.
Yeah, I did.
Sometimes things don't work out the way you planned. You'll find that out when you're older.
I'm sure I want to find out.
It's not all that bad. It's just that in life, your dreams and reality don't always line up.
So what you're trying to tell me is it basically stinks.
No, not all the time, but yeah, sometimes life basically stinks. Let's get some sleep. Things always look better in the morning. At least I hope they do. So I've got a pretty serious bird problem. And from what I understand, you two gentlemen are the finest pest control company in town. You're the only pest control company in town. But I'm sure men of your caliber won't have any trouble with this job. It's just a little woodpecker.
Mister, do you know how big?
How can we help you, Mr. Walters?
Well, I need you to trap it and release it far, far away from here. I'd say kill it, but apparently that's illegal.
Of course not. We would never break the law.
Nate, what about that time?
How much?
Our standard woodpecker removal fee is
$500 cash money.
Oh, miss, are you
Done.
gonna eat your cherry?
All yours.
Thanks. I'll save this for later.
Check, please. So I will see you gentlemen in the morning, yes?
You got it. We will hit the hay early.
Be there bright and early, ready to removify that bird.
Just not before 10 a.m., all right? That's about when my son usually comes into town, and I'd rather he not know anything about this.
10 o'clock it is. We will see you in the mañana.
Mañana.
I would have seen him tomorrow.
We've been searching for that woodpecker for a month, and now it just falls right in our laps.
We gonna make $500 cash money.
Gummy. It's a pileated red-crowned woodpecker. We can sell that bird for 1,000 times more than that. Oh, can't you just smell the money?
Nah, it's just me.
Hey, what are we gonna call our band?
How about poison ivy? Because I think I just stepped in some.
Hey, look, an eagle feather.
And there's another one.
That's a lot of feathers. Let's follow the trail.
I thought we were going swimming.
Don't worry, we will. Wonder where they came from.